The media and social issues. In this lesson, you will engage in a discussion about human relationships. You will discover synonyms of the word important. Watch a video and reflect on the future of face-to-face versus digital interaction. You will practice the use of phrases and expressions to give your opinion and agree or disagree with other ideas or views. If you want to watch the video that I'm recording right now on how to complete the activities in this lesson, you can watch it here. You can't see it yet because I'm still recording it, but it will be there. Click on the link to edit the PDF on Kami. Go back to Canvas and see the changes you made to the embedded document. This is the embedded document. But you are not going to do anything on here. If you want to edit it, you have to go to the link here. You have to go to Kami, okay? Now, this video, you need it for exercise number 4 in the PDF. So let's click on this link, and you should see this. Do we need each other? Complete the word map with synonyms of the word important. The first letters have been provided, and I have also provided the words that you need to write. Okay, so we have crucial, key, significant, fundamental, major, essential, vital. Now, using the words from this exercise, express your opinion about the points below. Do not use the word important. En esta actividad quiero que mandes una grabación en Telegram or on WhatsApp. So we have a few opinions here, or a few views, and I want you to tell me, I want you to express your opinion about these points using these words, using crucial, key, significant, fundamental, etc. For example, social media is one of the greatest inventions of all time. Actually, I don't agree with the statement. Sure, social media has had a significant impact on our lives, and it's revolutionized the way we communicate and learn about the world. However, it doesn't mean it's a major invention. So right here we used major and significant. So we have a few points here. We have people should quit social media because it is harmful to relationships. Do you agree or disagree with this statement? You can't be friends with someone only over messaging apps and social media platforms. Email is the best form of business communication. People can achieve more by working individually than in a team or than on a team. Digital connection is more satisfying than real-life interaction. Okay, so I need you to tell me whether you agree or disagree with these opinions. And don't forget to send a recording on Telegram. Now, I'd like to discuss these quotes. Do you agree or disagree with them? Human beings are social creatures. We are social not just in the trivial sense that we like company. Simply to exist as a normal human being requires interaction with other people. Okay, I'm not sure how you pronounce his name, but I think it should be Atul Gawande. So, in my opinion, I think I agree with this statement or with this quote by Atul Gawande. I think that we as humans need to satisfy our needs, and not necessarily, only physical needs, but also like more, let's say, psychological, emotional, and like deeper needs. So we need to connect. We need to have like social interaction with other people in order to be happy, I guess. Now we have another quote by John Taffer. Human interaction is something that I believe as humans we crave for. And that is where bars and social environments come into play. So crave means to really desire something, to really want something. So we need to have interaction with other people. And this famous American, I'm not sure if he's if he is a TV personality. I think he is. He's an American TV personality. But he's saying that one of the the most common places where you can meet other people, he's talking about bars and other social environments. So I think not necessarily, just bars. There are many other places, recreational places where you can I mean, where people gather, where you can meet other people. You know, we have movie theaters or theaters, parks, even nightclubs, you see, where you can meet other people and interact with them. Now, I want you to watch a video. You can either watch the video here on Canvas, this is the video, or I left it here as well, so you can here. But right here it's gonna be smaller, and I don't know if that's going to be comfortable for you to watch. So you can watch it on Canvas instead. You know, it's going to be big. It's probably gonna be more comfortable for you to watch it there. So watch all the way to 1:38. Solamente hasta el minuto 1:38, and describe the world it presents. So I want you to tell me, like, the world presented in the video is very quiet and abandoned or empty. There are no people, no cars, no movement. Nothing happens on the streets, or you know, there's a school there, a university. There are no students, no other lecturers or professors at the university. Okay, so I want you to tell me what you saw in the video. And then I want you to imagine the world without human face-to-face interaction, and discuss the questions. I want you to answer these questions in your notebook, and then take a photo and send it on Telegram or on WhatsApp. What would the world look like? Think about the aspects listed below: work and business, relationships, education, health and well-being, communication. Especially communication, because I think there wouldn't be like any sort of communication if you didn't see other people. I mean, we can communicate with others online, but like, imagine a world where we don't have, you know, face-to-face interaction. How would you feel about living in such a world? How would you feel about it? I want you to answer the question in your notebook, and then send a photo on Telegram. If you have any so we're gonna stop right here. If you have any questions, you can ask me on WhatsApp, and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you might have.